Now let's look at the Transform tool. It hangs out up in the toolbar next to the Crop tool and the Straighten tool. Now you can see on this image everything's kind of a little wacky, and I want to straighten up the sides of the house and make it horizontal. So with this tool you just click on it, and I'm going to look for what I think should be horizontal and vertical. So I think the sides of the house should be vertical, so I'm going to draw a line down the side here. And nothing happened, but when I draw the second line over on the other side of the house, now it's starting to straighten up. I believe the base of this house should also be horizontal, so I'm going to draw a line right here. And I'm going to do the same thing at the below the eave here. And now my image is all squared up, at least the house is. That's what I'm really focusing on. If I hit the return key on the keyboard, just like with the Crop tool and the Straighten tool, it kind of sets things into place. Now I think I want to go up to the Crop tool, and I want to do a one-to-one, a square crop on it. I'm a big fan of square crops. I love Polaroid cameras, and I shot a lot of 6x6 back in the day, and so I'm just drawn to it, and I think it works really well on this image. So I'm going to hit return again. You can draw up to 4 lines to horizontal and vertical to straighten up your images. Give this a try. It works great. A lot of times, though, if you're too tightly cropped in when you shot the image, you might lose things that you want, and then there's other ways to deal with that, like using the Distort tool in Photoshop. I use this tool a lot. It's one of my favorites, and there we go.